Happy morning, children. Today we are going to learn Class 1 English. Lesson 16, Jack and Jill. Lesson 16, Jack and Jill. It is about gender. Gender means what? Male and female. What do you mean by gender? Male and female. For example, in a class, we have boys and girls. Isn't it? We have boys and girls. So, boys are males and girls are females. Girls are females. Then, for male or boys, we say masculine. What do you say? Masculine. M-A-S-C-U-L-I-N-E. Masculine. And for girls, what do we say? Feminine. We say feminine. For girls, we say feminine or female. For girls, we say female or feminine. So, gender is masculine or feminine. Masculine is boy, feminine is girl. Is it clear? Now, for boy, masculine, for girl, feminine. Like that. Man is masculine, woman is feminine. Next, lion, masculine, lioness. For female, we say lioness, feminine. Then, like that, we'll learn many in this lesson. Brother, sister, uncle, aunt. Lesson 16, Jack and Jill, gender. Males, bracket men, are said to be masculine gender. Males, bracket men, are said to be masculine gender. Females, women, are said to be feminine gender. Write the feminine gender from the box given below. One has been done for you. So, in light cream color, there are some words written there. Girl, mother, woman, aunt, daughter, sister. When you hear all these, are these all female or male? All these are female or girls. So, these are called feminine. So, the masculine is given there. Now, we have to write the feminine from this box. Uncle. What is the feminine of uncle? Aunt. Boy, girl. Man, woman. Man, woman. Brother, sister. Brother, sister. Son, daughter. If it is a boy in the family, we say as son. And if it is a girl, we say daughter. Father, mother. So, uncle, aunt, boy, girl, man, woman, brother, sister, son, daughter, father, mother. Now, let us see in the next page, page number 51. Change the gender of the underlined words and rewrite the sentences. Choose words from the box given below. One has been done for you. So, there are 5 sentences given there. And these sentences, you can see some words are underlined. So, we have to write the opposite gender of the underlined words. And there are some words given in the help box. So, let us read the help box. Woman, gentleman, gentleman, girl, lion, boy, father. Woman, gentleman, girl, lion, boy, father. Now let us just try to identify whether it is a masculine or feminine before we do the exercise. Woman, masculine or feminine? Feminine. Next one, gentleman, masculine. Girl, feminine. Lion, masculine. Boy, masculine. Father, masculine. Next, let us do the exercise. You are a boy. Boy is a masculine. You are a, what is the opposite of boy? Girl. Girl is the feminine of boy. A lady has come with my mother. Lady and mother is underlined. So, what is the masculine of lady? Gentleman. Masculine of mother? Father. So, the sentence will be, a gentleman has come with my father. Next, the girl is playing with the toys. Which is the word underlined? Girl. So, which is the masculine? Boy. So, the boy is playing with the toys. Next one. The man is working on the computer. Which is the word underlined there? The girl. Girl is underlined. So, which is the masculine? Boy. Sorry, the man is working on the computer. Which is the feminine of man? Woman. So, the woman is working on the computer. The lioness is sitting with the cubs. Lioness is the feminine. Which is the masculine? Lion. The lion is sitting with the cubs. The baby of lioness is called cubs. The young one is called cubs. Next one. We are going to do some more. Match the columns. On one side masculine is given and the other side feminine is given. So, we are going to match. Peacock. What is the feminine of peacock? Peahen. Peacock, peahen. Groom, bride. Groom, bride. For the wedding. Groom is the man and bride is the girl. So, groom and bride. Cow, ox. Cow is the feminine. Ox is the masculine. Prince, masculine. Feminine, princess. Actor, masculine. Actress, feminine. Tiger, masculine. Tigress, feminine. So, you have to learn the masculine and feminine of each of these. So, I will ask, what is the masculine of lady? Gentleman. So, I will ask like that. So, you have to learn uncle, aunt, boy, girl, man, woman, lady, gentleman. So, you have to learn the masculine and feminine of each of these. The gender. There are two genders, masculine and feminine. So, hope this lesson is clear. Try to do the exercises by yourself and write them in the textbook carefully. See you in next class.